All right, so this video we're going to talk about how to understand and solve a problem with exponents. So before we go into this, I'm just going to talk about really quickly the basics of exponents. So when someone says something about an exponent, they are talking about the little number up here. Okay, so a lot of times it's a little 2 or a little 3, but that number that's above it is really important. To understanding how to solve the question. So this number, the exponent, tells us something very important. So when you see this exponent, this number tells us how many times you are going to multiply the number at the bottom times itself. So again, I have the number 3, right? And this number tells me how many times I have to multiply it by times itself. So because it is a 4, I am going to multiply 3 times itself 4 times. A lot of people say 3 times 4 and they're done. That is not the case. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to say, well, I have 3, and then I'm going to multiply it again by 3, 3, 3. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how many times that I have here. Okay, so I have that right, so I can now go ahead and start looking at how to solve this. So a lot of people sort of just go 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27, and they just keep going. That sometimes gets us into a weird position where it's sort of hard to remember, well, I don't know what 27 times 3 is. So a lot of people, when they have a whole bunch of numbers like this, they go in this way. So you do the first set. I know 3 times 3 is 9, and then I know this one is also 9. And I say, well, I know 9 times 9. I don't know 27 times 3. So 9 times 9 is 81. So the answer to this is 3 to the power of 4. That's what it's called, 3 to the power, or whatever this number is. 3 with the exponent of 4 equals 81. And that is it. That is your whole problem. If you guys need another explanation, just let me know.